Okay, we're on Thursday, 12/4 warm-up. Baker used a total of 1/3 pound of muffin mix to make 4 muffins. 1/3 pound muffin mix to make 4 muffins. Excuse me. 1/3. I have to put this over 1, flip it. Then on the next step, I flip it to a multiplication and flip these two numbers, and I get 1/12. 2 polygons are drawn in the coordinate grid below. Which ordered pair represents a point that is inside both polygons? 4.5, 4.5, and 6.5. That's about there. 4.5 and 3.5 is there. That's G. This one's F. 6.5 and 4.5. Look how I'm double checking that. 6.5, 4.5, that's H. That looks like it'll be it. 7.5 and 5.5 is here. That's not inside. Right here is our space for both. So it is our H. A business pays its employees $20 an hour. Each employee works 20 hours. Which statement is true about the weekly income? Haven't talked about this yet, but you have your gross and your net. Your net comes after, your gross comes before, and your physical net is all your subtraction. So a net is lower after all your money's taken out. The gross income, and the gross would be 400. The gross income of each employee is more than 400? No. The net income of each employee is less than 400. I think that is true because they made 400. They're going to take out deductions, so it would be lower. The gross income of each employee is less than 400. That's back up here. Again, it's not less than. It is 400. The net income of each employee is more than. That means this would be adding. Your deductions would be adding, and that's not true. So it is B. Again, haven't done that yet. Don't worry. We will talk more about that during financial literacy. Okay, question number 4. 4 students filled sacks with apples. The apples show the weights of their filled sacks. Marshall, Phoebe, Gerald, and Paloma. What is the order of the weights from least to greatest? Smallest to biggest. This is our zeros. They need to all have 3 zeros in the decimal. My smallest number is 2 12s. My smallest one out of the 12s is 12.395. My next one is 12.450. And now I have 13. Might be 13.550 and 13.600. So with that, I can now put them in order to know 12.395. Oh, got that one. 12.45. I want to put that 0 on there. And then 13.55. And my last one is 13.60. Okay. Question 5. Some students recorded their favorite sport on the graph. So I am going to mark that as 30. I'm going to mark that as 60. I'm going to mark that as 45 and this 35. How many students did not choose the soccer as their favorite sport? Did not choose soccer. So that would mean these 3, which I would have to add up. 30 plus 60 is 90, plus another 35, which would be 125, which is right there. Sorry about that. 125. That's Thursday.